We already know that we can get text from any element with .text method. Today we are going to learn get HTML to plain text. I have an app here which can get text from any link. Just paste the link. By default it gets title plus body. If we click on title plus body and press go, it loads same as default, but if we click on body only, the first line will disappear. If we select formatted, it shows text along with links in a readable format. Let's see what is the code working behind the scenes. First we have edit text here. It is used for getting the URL. Then we have two horizontal linear views here containing two buttons each. Our first button sets method number 0 and linear 2 visible. Second button sets method 1 and linear 2 visibility gone. So when we click on this button formatter, linear 2 is invisible now. At third button we are setting boolean body only to false, so it can get both body and head. At fourth button we are setting boolean body only to true. On click fifth button, if length of our input is greater than 4 characters, then it will place that text into a string URL and execute our code. Else make toast enter a valid URL. Our actual code is here at more block. First we are getting internet permission. Then we have a try and catch block. Inside it we are parsing the document by connecting to a URL and getting it. This is the URL we have at edit text. If method is 0 and body only is true, result string will be assigned from body.text. Else if method is 0 and body only is false, we are targeting doc.text, so we get both head and body. Else if method is 1, here is our new code. We are creating an object named formatter with constructor org.jsoup.examples.html2plainText. We are assigning value to result string from formatter.getPlainText document. We will show result string in a text view named result. Then we are closing try block and catch exception. That text view is here. In description we have a link that leads to gist.github.com, which have a code that works exactly same as our code with logic blocks. Only difference is that it is written all manual. Now let's inject Jsoup library and run our code and compile our app. Let's try to load google.com. This is the result with method doc.text, and this is the result with method body.text. Now if we select formatted and press go, result in a readable text format along with the links.